That thing is glowing.
Yeah, it's red hot. This is sketch.
It's fucking bored, guys.
It just. We need to find our tool to heat this thing up. I'm thinking we're just gonna use numerous torches to get this thing red hot.
Just hug it. Like how far? Just hug it. Molten lava.
We already have 2 torches at the shop, so I think if we grab 1 more of these, 3 of these will get this to 1,000 degrees.
I was ready for this.
We need to find something to pick this up with after it's 1,000 degrees.
Found it. Dude, my fella dropped, rolled that between the aisles. I feel like we can literally come in. Dude, that's foolproof now.
Are you sure? Oh my god.
Long hair, don't care. I want to break something with this.
Dude, you were like a child, right?
I know, dude.
Give me it.
Don't hit Matt cut. Don't hit Matt cut.
Oh. Have you guys met Jesse yet? This is Jesse.
They've met him. They've met him on the vlog channel.
Oh, we're going hard today.
I like this. Reshaping the tongs so that it's easier to pick the ball up.
It's a big hungry fish trying to catch the small fish. But we don't know if it's gonna catch the small fish. But he's an alien one. It
took like 10 minutes.
So it's perfect.
That took 10 minutes.
He did it.
Camera. Okay, so internet, back to Jesse being the coolest. There he goes again.
So here's what we're doing. We're going to put this control arm on jack stands like that, but at this height, so we could literally leave the torch sitting there running without touching it.
Oh shit! Sorry. Oh!
Did it lift it again?
Oh, look at that. No, dude, that's it. That's direct line of fire. Get the other torch. Is that literally lit fan? This is lit fan. Look at the reflection of the flame, like, on it. It's like circular. Oh, we're getting discoloration. Oh yeah. It's starting to turn purple. It's starting to look pretty sick. Just dashes, dude. It doesn't even want to say what it is. There's no way. Is it maxed? Yeah. So it stops at like 750. We're higher than 750 then. Oh, dude, it's getting there. This back side of the ball is red. We need to fill our thing with oil. So this is what we're dropping it into. We're gonna do engine oil first. We're gonna do some brake fluid. Engine oil first. We're gonna just drop the ball in that pool of engine oil right there. All right, Jesse, you're the tong master. He's the tong master. I feel like that red side is at least 1,000 degrees.
It's 1,000 degree already.
That shit's over 1,000 degrees.
No, like,
I'm the one hiding. That shit, you guys.
Oh geez, oh geez. Oh, this is sketch. This is sketch. This is sketch.
It's bored, guys.
It just. Oh!
Dude, should I pick it up?
Yeah, pick it up.
Oil's boiling in there, dude. It's boiling.
The oil is literally boiling.
Oh my god.
Wait, get the temp gun. Temp this oil. Temp this oil. All right, temp the ball first. Oh. Still maxed out. Still maxed out.
Dude, are we putting it on this?
Oh, that was like 400 degree oil.
It was like 350 right there, hitting the cover. Damn, the oil got hot quick.
What are you doing if that catches on fire?
That's catching on fire for sure, guys.
We're gonna pick it up and we're gonna put it up.
Because we're men.
You're gonna throw it in the grass and light that shit on fire?
It rains here all the time anyway.
It's on fire.
Yeah, now it's burning.
Back into the oil.
Molten balls going back in. Oh my gosh, can it ignite twice?
Wait, it's boiling, it's boiling, it's boiling.
It goes back up in flames.
Let it
twice. Have you seen oil boil? I feel like we're
boiling oil. Yeah, don't do that to your engine.
Yeah.
Bad idea.
Oh my god, I feel like we shouldn't be anywhere near this.
Yeah, pick it up.
What's this?
Oil's at 500. It's just cooling the ball down.
Oh, it's bubbling.
Oh my god, this is about to get out of control real quick. I have a feeling.
Do I get the ball out of there?
I don't know, dude. Do we run?
Get the ball up. When it spills, is it gonna roll downhill and it's a giant flame?
Oh, the ball is on fire.
Don't drop it.
It's still on fire.
Oh!
That burn, don't touch that shit.
Oh, god.
We definitely did not use gravity to our advantage.
Temp the oil again.
500.
540.
That's got both for days.
Should we try to throw it in something else?
Put it back on the. Put it back in the oven over there.
Yeah, there's brake fluid over there.
A little brake fluid?
There's some brake fluid.
A little nether test?
Yep. The fire is still going, and he already set this back up.
So it loses all viscosity, like it gets watery.
watery.
Literally, so that's not oil anymore, it's water anymore.
Science with Brandon.
Moral of the story is get an oil cooler.
Yeah, get an oil cooler. We'll drop it on the inner of the tire and see if it melts right through it.
Is this going hard, or is this the definition of ignorance?
Don't worry about the hill. It's a round tire you're trying to ignite and have it roll right into
How to
shop.
catch your shop on fire 101.
Will it melt through this? Let's place some bets. What do you think's gonna happen? You think it's going through?
I say it does not go through. For some reason, I don't think it's gonna.
Well, let's find out. The ball is ready.
I say the can gets knocked over when he sets it down. Falls over there. Ball
Molten
catches
lava goes
everything on
into the
fire.
shop. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh
Is
my
it
gosh.
gonna fall?
Can you place it?
Going
For sure.
over, bro.
Can you
Hold on.
place it? Can you place it?
Oh, he's got this.
Oh
No,
my gosh,
he's.
This guy is the best at everything.
Oh! Proved wrong.
This guy's the best
Oh,
at
shit.
everything.
Everybody,
You hear the can. You hear the can.
I hear the can.
Listen to the can. Oh, the cardboard's gonna catch fire through the can.
I saw 400 for a second.
Oh yeah, there's.
Oh, the can's like 400, dude.
Wait, is the ball starting to go lower?
Wait, is the ball sinking? Look at the edges. The edges. Oh, it's definitely doing something.
It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. It's about to fall over and ignite everything.
Oh! Straight up would go through if it could. But that lip is too thick and it won't allow it to go through. Drop it in there.
Tape.
Yeah, drop it in
Drop it
there.
in there. Fire. Here goes fire. Here goes fire. Here goes fire. 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 Instant fire. Instant fire. Instant fire.
Wait, pour the brake fluid on it now.
Look at his face right now. He is like a kid in the candy store.
Just trying to spray you like bacon.
Instant.
Hold on.
Instantly.
Hold on.
Yeah, it evaporates before it gets there.
Like instantly. It's
Don't
like
let
water.
it suck back into that.
a little Tong master, dude.
Oh my gosh, dude. Tong master, dude.
Oh, he missed. He
hit it,
missed. Is it straight? Is it evaporate?
Oh, when it lands on the ball, it just explodes.
It literally explodes
That's
when it hits
crazy.
it.
See a fireball coming in our future.
Yeah, if it comes up the thing and hits that. All right. That's
It's boiling.
boiling brake fluid.
That's track day, dude. You're
Track
boiling.
day right there.
Yeah, boiling your brakes out at Takeover. Shameless plug. Link in the description. Link in the description.
Shameless plug.
Seven. Yeah.
Nah, ball's still like 750.
All right, setting back up for round 3.
Straight molten onto top. That's what I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, right here. Gear loop. Oh, that's going right through gear loop too.
No. You gotta think about where it's gonna go.
Tinker, he wants to party!
She is ready.
Dude, that thing is glowing.
Yeah, it's red hot.
Did you shake the beer?
Hold on,
up?
shake the beer up some more.
Here, throw it to me. Throw it to me. Throw it to me. Come on,
Oh, the ball is red.
Solid as a rock.
Oh, dude, it's gonna boil it instantly, and it's gonna blast hot beer everywhere.
Oh shit.
Get close. This thing's blowing up, dude. Give us a reading,
You
Matt.
gotta pick it up first.
Oh, dude,
Look
the
at it,
can
it blows-
expanded.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Its beer is boiling. That's so much pressure.
Oh shit, he's doing it that way.
Oh, wow, that's it? Wow.
Damn it.
All right, here we go again. So this has literally been sitting here for half an hour. We're gonna concoct our own recipe now of stuff to mix in. Oh, he's got some WD-40. That's first. Fill this.
Like just a little bit. Oh, that shit's crazy. Isn't that the grease?
Yeah, this is the grease, dude.
Oh my god.
This is the concoction of all concoctions.
Oh lord.
All right, what else? We need more liquids in here.
That is going to...
Must. Okay, we're charged.
Oh my gosh, look at that ball. It's not staying down. Oh my god. Yes. Damn.
You think that's gonna get worse?
What do you mean it's not gonna get worse? You think it's not gonna get worse?
Yeah, it's like foggy.
It's definitely. You shouldn't breathe that.
Is that it? Is that the end of our steel ball antics? 1,000-degree steel ball? Dude, it looks like Pluto.
Did we make a planet? Alright, Brandon.
I don't know why you insist on this.
See what happens. Does it melt it?
All about that tire game.
Oh, instant rubber smell.
Oh,
It's look, it's rolling.
It's spinning.
it's spinning because it's melting the rubber.
So cool.
Oh, look at it.
That's actually pretty legit.
Look at it changing like ways it's going. Ooh, I see a little fire down there. Oh, look at that.
I like how it's like spinning and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
I feel like this outcome would have been a lot different if that ball was
the
red hot.
Red ball, like
Oh yeah.
smells just like a burnout.
Oh, look at that.
Smells like America.
It rolls
Rolled
just
right back to it.
its spot.
Reheat it.
Reheat it, reheat it, reheat it. Oh, it's still going. Still going.
It's okay. He has the extinguisher. This has been sitting on there so long that the can is starting to freeze. All right. Oh, he's nurturing it. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
You guys give me the word when you want it extinguished.
1,000-degree ball versus tire. This is what you get. I don't think it's going through.
B-Mark, help it along.
Toss it back on there now. Whoa, it's gonna find its home, right?
Tirewood sucks. Yep.
No, we're just myth busting this before some other YouTuber tries to bite and do 1,000-degree ball versus tire. It's not that cool, everybody.
It's not.
Are we done?
Yeah, this is lame.
Oh shit. Do not catch yourself on fire right now. Are you serious?
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. 1,000-degree ball versus engine oil. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe with notifications.